like rated R plumber page right now. Don't show this to your kids, everybody.
Yeah, widow it.
This is the funniest episode they're probably just gonna ever exist. Hey you guy, it's a new day and we're at the rat house again. Peyton, do you want to tell them what happened last night?
No.
Can I?
Yes.
So it was Halloween.
It was okay, it was my fault, but a little ridiculous.
She got pulled over and got a ticket. How much is it? $140 something. She's gonna dispute it, probably.
Phew.
Do you like my blue hair? Yeah, and I didn't take my makeup off. It's that like temporary spray, so it'll wash out. I was just so exhausted last night.
I got a third hole piercing too.
Oh yeah, Kayla told me about that. I wasn't there.
Oh yeah.
Slay. And today what are we gonna do? Jason's here. We're gonna run the rest of the wire to baseboard heat because that's what we decided on now. So I lied about that other time when I said we were gonna do mini splits. It's gonna be baseboard heat and then just like in the window air conditioning units if we need it. And then I think we have the drywall people scheduled already, so we should like now it's gonna be moving like super fast. So just like pointing out the lights that Jason's gonna do, I guess. I don't really know what else we need to do today. We're just being like the managers. And we've been taking a lot of time working at the other investment. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's the last video that I posted. That's our old house that we used to live in, and that is empty right now. So we're working on trying to clean that and fill that as well. So yeah, that's what's up. I'm tired and I have an 8-page report for college entrepreneurship class due today at midnight. So hopefully today's work day isn't too long and I can get home and start working on that, because guess what? I have like 2 pages done. We're waiting for Jason to get here and then I'll update you. So for the baseboard heaters, we have to take out a couple of outlets that we originally had there. And then we gotta get all the electrical checked out. So I'll film like the finished thing once we're done, because we'll also wire smoke alarms. I just wanted to hop on here and say it's really nice out today, and I do not need this coat at all, but it's kind of a comfort thing at this point. But yeah, like for October, it's really nice. Like it's snowing in other states and it's sunny and it was warm last night and it was a full moon and it was like a perfect, beautiful Halloween. And yeah, I just wanted to say that.
Do you see me?
Go.
Oops, I missed the hole. Oh, wait.
No, other one.
Okay. This one.
Yeah.
Okay. I genuinely can't.
Yes, you can. Do it. You're not trying hard enough.
Paige, please shut up.
Let me show you how it's done.
No. Look, it's in.
Okay. I'm gonna get it now. Good job. Okay, she literally cheated.
What do you mean?
You kinked it.
That's not cheating, Peyton. Is this where I want it?
Is it enough to just be me?
So I can actually tie the kitchen heater in.
There's a lot of wasps. And Strongman keeps killing them because we're a little.
Un poquito.
Also, I sprayed the windows. Don't even, if you say anything mean to me, I'm not gonna be okay. I know it's not good. It was my first time, okay guys? It's really bad. But we can let it dry and then easily fix it. Don't say anything mean.
Paige wanted me to show you the panel that they put. Scare me. That they put in the other day. Okay. This is the panel. Cute. Then like wires going in. Cute. Yeah.
What did you just say?
And then one in each bed? No, that.
He said no. A big light in the dining room and 2 bigger lights in the living room?
Yeah, like those. Is your mom on there?
No, I'm filming it.
Oh.
Because I was going to do 6 canister lights, but I'm not loving that. If we just do a big light, but we don't know if 1 will be enough.
I'll show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, they're right there. Kind of like that.
I would say 1's enough because us young people like to have small lights, like lamps and stuff.
Okay.
Right?
Yes, very true.
Who agrees with me? 1 light in the living room, or is that not enough?
Plus it's cheap.
Because there's a 4-pack of them.
Well, then we would have more.
You get one for each bedroom, if you only want to do 1 in there, and 1 right here.
Yeah,
That
I like
works.
that. It's 4. And then we just do the canisters in the kitchen.
I like
I-
that.
I like that. And that's
I'd almost feel like you have 2 in the living room, because you're going to have 1 like right here.
well, can't the dining room count as the secondary lighting for the living room?
Yeah, because is there
It
even
could.
going to be a wall?
No, there's no wall.
But this is switched separate, so
Oh.
if you need it,
Just turn both of them on.
yeah, your mom said leave it up to you.
We'll do that. I like that.
Well, Mom can watch this video and let us know what she thinks. I like the idea of the 4 lights, 1 in each bedroom, and then.
How the you send a link from Amazon? Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
there's another wasp. Where is it?
sorry, I didn't know.
Yeah. Okay, but I want to tell you a funny story. Jason got dropped off here by his wife Carrie, which we love. But Peyton was like, "Do you want us to drop you off at home?" And he's like, "Well, who's driving?"
It's not funny.
Because Peyton got it.
Yep, I think
they.
they.
Oh man. Yeah. Update, we're just kind of trying to clean. We're moving all the trash to the garage and just trying to clean up a little bit because before we know it, it's gonna be like finishing time. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. We partying in here. Wow, she's so funny and cool. Honestly. Wait, what was I gonna say?
I don't know.
Oh. Are you filming? Let's walk with me.
Okay.
Filming?
Yeah.
Hey everybody. I just wanted to tell you something again. There were birds in this garage and Peyton's terrified of
Yup.
Peyton's terrified of anything that flies. So she didn't want to come in here. Is that a bottle of piss?
That's what I was thinking. Period.
We've been singing songs from Miraculous Ladybug all day today. It makes me so happy. I love her, them, it, that show. That show? I love it.
Oh.
I dressed up as her for Halloween, you guy. Anyway, I feel so awkward. I'm just trying to have some fun. It's so nice out. You want to see a strip scene?
Ooh.
I am getting frisky. This is like rated R plumber page right now. Don't show this to your kids, everybody. This is me being sexy.
This is not funny.
Okay, it's not funny. Goodbye.
Did you see that?
No, there's something flying. I wish you guys could see Peyton behind the camera right now. Oh! No! There was so much dust that came off of your gloves when you clapped. Oh my god. She was terrified, you guys. I think it's so funny today, and it's probably just the lack of sleep, to be honest.
Yeah, widow.
This is the funniest episode they're probably just gonna ever exist. Anyway. Little girl's banana was cooking in the sun, and now she don't want to eat it. Moving windows over there and everything basically into the garage so that it is cleaned up and ready for drywall, because apparently he's ready for him to come in tomorrow. So we have to clean everything today. But that's good, like progress is awesome. We've been sitting on this house for too long. It should be already being done, you know? Yeah. Sorry about the hecticness of this video. It's fun though. I'm sorry. So just got off the phone with mom. She doesn't like the idea of the big lights in the dining room and living room. So we're gonna do 6 canisters for 4 big lights in the bedrooms and then 1 in the hallway, which you still need to add the switch for. We need more wire. This isn't totally dry yet, or else we would be cutting that off today. But we're gonna go wire shopping later today and come back here tomorrow morning to finish up the small few things. And then our drywall guy can come, so yeah.